Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. Now in this video, I'm gonna be giving you details on exactly how to either avoid copyright claims or to fix a copyright claim. Okay? Firstly, when it comes to avoiding copyright claims altogether and you're using copyright-free music, you have to just read the description. Now it's funny because this took me a few years to really understand. So it's typical because as content creators, some of the time when you do it, you have so many ideas and you do so much things and so many things in your mind at the same point that you think, you know what, from the music says copyright free, there shouldn't be any issues after you use it. But I learned the hard way after these few years that such is not the case. Now when it comes to copyright free music, typically you have to go through a procedure to actually use the music and it not getting copyrighted, right? So long and short of the story, you have to read the description. In the description, it gives you details as how you have to copy and paste some form of information with the artist's info, right? So basically, you give them a bit of publicity through your description, and in return for that, you get the copyright-free content. So to avoid copyright-free content, to avoid getting copyrighted claims for your copyright-free music, you have to add that information in the description of your video. Alright, now if you had already put the copyright-free music in your video and thought it would be totally free, then you got a copyright claim, I'm going to be showing you in this video how to dispute the copyright claim. Now typically it takes within a few days up to probably a week or two to get it to get the claim cleared, right? But the thing is, if the artist does not clear the music within the 30 days, typically YouTube will, right? So as I say, take typically 30 days max to clear it. And this will help you just in case you're either upcoming YouTuber or you have already monetized your video and wondering why it got demonetized when you use copyright free content. As I say, people, it's in the description, but I'm going to be showing you now how to dispute the claim. Alright, so stay tuned. So I'm going to be giving an example of how to get rid of the copyright claim if you have copyright issues on your video, okay? So firstly, find the video that has the copyright claim, and this is through the YouTube studio. Alright, so see details. Scroll down to where you see content identified in this video is listed below. As you can see, the title LiQWYD Nostalgia. Alright, next what you want to do is find that song on YouTube. Alright, Nostalgia LiQWYD. Alright, you click on the description. When you click on the description, you're gonna see some writing for the information on how exactly to use the copyright content. You click on more, right here, you scroll down, and there's the info right there. You're free to use this song in any of your YouTube videos, but you must include the following in your video description. So you scroll down, right above where you see about using the music, you can start copying right there. So scroll. And if anyone is wondering, I'm using my phone. You can actually use your laptop to do all of this, but you can actually use your phone in some cases, depending on the app that you use. Alright, so you want to copy right below where you see the copy and paste. So you copy right there. Alright, so you want to go back into the YouTube studio after you have copied that information. Find the video, edit, go into the description, and then paste. And that is it. Go back, save. Alright, then you go back to the YouTube studio. Alright, so right here you want to click on the three dots and then you click on dispute, and then you see a box right here. My dispute isn't based on any of the reasons above. I would still like to dispute this content ID claim. Click on that box, continue. You're going to see 4 options right here: original content, license, copyright exception such as fair use, and public domain. You want to click on the license. That's the second option. Continue. Alright, next, scroll down to the end of the screen where you see another box, and it says I have permission to use this content from the original copyright owner. I have permission to use this content from the copyright owner. And you click on continue. Alright, you see a box right here. This box where you say please include your license information below. You want to paste the information in here. Paste. When you paste it in here, you see 3 other boxes. My video does not infringe anyone's copyright. I understand that the claimant will be able to review my video and my dispute rationale. I understand that filing fraudulent disputes may result in termination of my YouTube account. Click all 3 boxes. Alright, and then the signature required. You want to put in your name that you use, your full name that you use on your YouTube. Alright, then after that you click submit, and that is it. Dispute submitted. Disputes will be sent to claimant for review. YouTube does not review content ID disputes. The claimant now has 30 days to review your dispute. If they do not respond within 30 days, the claim will be released automatically. We'll send you an email to let you know the outcome, and that is basically it. So typically, depending on the person, I guess. For me, for example, for other previous videos, it typically within, I want to say, 2 days to a week. Okay, and that is it. And I just got an email that tells me that my dispute has been filed, submitted. Here it is. You will get an email that basically shows this, and that is it. And that is how basically you clear up any form of copyright claim that you may have on any of your videos that you use copyright music. Right? Simply put, people, the details and information is there as to how exactly to use the copyright content. It's always basically in the description. So whenever you go on a video to try to use that music, always be sure to read the description. Alright guys, hope this helped much. Alright, take it easy people, until the next video.